'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart.
Hello again, I'm glad you're all here. In today's video, we are gonna be tidying up our home as well as pulling out some Valentine's Day decor and spreading it throughout the house. Backed up on laundry. It's a never-ending story with me. I have piles of it. And yeah, we're gonna throw in some DIYs and crafts. I did a post for you guys to poll which type of video you'd like to see next, and you guys said crafts. So today's agenda is cleaning, crafts, and pulling out Valentine's decor and decorating a little bit for Valentine's. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's hop in.
For 1,000 years, but it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back soon. You are my missing part. I know that you'll be you. 'Cause you're my sweetheart.
Boiled some avocado skins and pits for like an hour or so, and I just bundled the fabric, like the tea towels and stuff that I'm going to embroider on in here. And I'm just letting it sit. I'm checking it because I don't want it to be too dark of a pink. So I kind of jumped ahead because I wasn't sure if this is going to be the right pink, but I'm so happy and thankful it is. And I'm loving it. It's looking so good. All you do is take avocado pits and the skins, fill up a pot of water and just toss them in, bring it to a boil, and then simmer for like an hour or so. And then you just wrap this all up, and yeah, it's very basic. This is the color I'm aiming for. You can leave it in a lot longer if you want it more pigmented, a darker pink. I was aiming for this light peachy pink, and it's perfect. I'm so happy with the results. So now I'm going to unwrap them. I'm gonna throw them in the dryer on high heat so the color will set in. Then we'll just get to the embroidery on them. I actually started embroidering this one here. I put some hearts already. Embroidery takes so long, so I wanted to get a head start. And my hearts aren't that pretty, but this is the craft. So so pretty. I love it. It's not done yet, but we'll finish it up.
Let me be close to you forever, ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart.
May stick this one in there. Toss these in. And I'm gonna just do mid-high. Okay, so I took them out of the dryer. They were shrinking quite a bit. But this is how they turned out. They're still partially wet, so I'm gonna go air dry them. Nice subtle color. This is the one I partially embroidered. I gotta finish up. Like, this pillow came out so pretty. I'm not making one of these. This is just something I made last year that I never used. And I'm gonna put it on the couch this year because it's just stunning. We're gonna go hang these up.
We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear. They will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together, 'cause we got love. I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh.
So from World Market, I picked up these cute little reactive glaze mugs. I thought they were super adorable. So I got two of these, the plate, which is really cute as well, and this little mini heart wreath garland that's gonna go above the stove in the kitchen. And then Hobby Lobby, I kept it simple and just got this little creamer mug. So that's all the new stuff that I got for Valentine's Day. And then the rest is stuff that I'm gonna be reusing from the year prior. So yeah, we're gonna see what I can do with all of this stuff today.
Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
At the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, love is shy.